Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade with Bookmap. Bookmap is a powerful trading platform that provides a unique visual representation of market depth and order flow. It helps you see the invisible forces driving price action by displaying pending orders and executed trades on a dynamic heat map. This real-time visualization allows you to identify key liquidity zones and potential turning points in the market, giving you a significant edge in your trading decisions. The core of Bookmap is its heat map, which visually represents the order book. Darker shades on the heat map indicate areas of high liquidity, where many orders are waiting to be filled. Conversely, lighter shades suggest less liquidity, meaning price can move through these levels more easily. You'll also see green and red dots appearing on the chart. Green dots are executed buy orders, while red dots are executed sell orders, showing you the immediate market action. Bookmap helps you identify various trading opportunities. For instance, large clusters of orders on the heat map often act as strong support or resistance levels. Watch for absorption, where many orders are filled at a specific price without significant movement, indicating a potential reversal. You can also spot exhaustion, where buying or selling pressure diminishes, signaling a possible trend change. Integrating Bookmap with your existing trading strategies can significantly enhance your decision-making. Executing trades with Bookmap is streamlined and efficient. Its one-click trading interface allows for rapid order entry directly from the chart. You can place limit orders near those high liquidity zones you identified, aiming for better entry and exit prices. Strategically set your stop-loss orders based on the real-time order flow, adjusting them as market conditions evolve. Continuously monitoring the order flow helps you manage your open positions and react quickly to market changes, maximizing your trading edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.